Hello everyone, this is Bhanu Pundir, the trek expert for the Searching Souls. Heading out on the KEDARKANTHA trek, preparation is a key to ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable experience. And I'm here to help you pack all the essentials to keep you warm, safe and comfortable out there. Let's dive into what you need to carry for this unforgettable adventure. Let's categorize all the items in 3 main categories to keep it easily notable for you. First, basic trek essentials, which means all trek items required in KEDARKANTHA trek. Second, clothing or layering, in which I will let you know about the necessary clothes required for the KEDARKANTHA trek. And the third, personal utilities, in which small useful items you can carry for KEDARKANTHA trek. So let's start with the basic trek essentials first. Number 1, rucksack. A 60 to 70 liters capacity of a rucksack with rain cover is good enough for your KEDARKANTHA trek. The rucksack should come with chest and waist straps to keep the weight equally balanced. You may also check our own manufactured rucksack, for which you may try placing the order online from our website. Now second, summit bag or a day bag. 10 to 20 liters of a day bag is sufficient for this trek. Now, this day bag specifically will be used during this summit climb. And during your summit push, you will leave your rucksack at the campsite and will take only the summit bag along with you, in which you will keep a raincoat or a poncho, packed lunch and a water bottle. Third point, poncho or a raincoat. It is the most important trek essentials, no matter how the weather is. Now, raincoat or a poncho is must. And if you want to select in between raincoat and poncho, we would recommend a poncho ahead of a raincoat, as it also covers your whole rucksack. And if you are buying a poncho, make sure to buy the adult size. Now those who have a raincoat, please do not forget to carry a rain cover for your rucksack. Fourth, trekking shoes. The most important of all aspect of your trekking journey, as you would be on your feet maximum time. So choosing a good quality high ankle trekking shoes with at least water resistant property and good anti-slippery sole is must. For a detailed overview of how to choose the best trekking shoes for your winter trekking, we have made a specific video of it, and you may check the link of it in the description of the video below as per your convenience. Next point is the headlamp. A reliable headlamp will guide you through early morning ascents, ensuring you are keeping a safe footing wherever an uneven terrain is there. Now do not forget to keep extra batteries of it, very important, in case of an emergency malfunctioning of the batteries or a low battery issue. 6th point, trekking pole. It helps you to reduce the effort around 20 to 30% when you trek, and makes both ascent and descent easier. If you are buying a trekking pole, make sure it should be of adjustable length and good quality. Now let's talk about the clothes required for the KEDARKANTHA trek. First, starting from the top, let's talk about the headwear first. During the daytime, one must wear a sun cap, which will protect you from any sunburns. And during the nighttime, you need to keep a woolen cap. You should also use neck warmer along with the woolen cap to protect sensitive areas like your forehead, neck and ears, to stay away from the chilly windy weather. Now second, quick dry t-shirt. It is essential to wear a quick dry t-shirt during the daytime when you will be trekking, as it will keep you dry and sweat free during your time of the trek. To protect from the sun, it is advisable to have a full sleeves t-shirt. Our next point will be thermals. Now, they are the first warm layer of your clothing. A good and warm thermals are the most important part of your clothing, as they protect you from the chilly winds and helps you keep warm. Next is the fleece or sweater. In KEDARKANTHA trek, where the temperature can plunge down to minus 20 degrees in the night, it is important to have a good second warm layer. Mostly, fleece is used as the second warm layer, for which you may opt for a fleece jacket as well. Now the next will be down or padded jacket. This is the third and the last layer. Do not even think of compromising with it. Your jacket should be equipped with the hood to provide you with extra warmth. Also, it is advisable to get a jacket with utility pockets, which will help you a lot while trekking. Now for KEDARKANTHA Trek, the ideal temperature rating for your jacket should be 0 to minus 10 degrees. Now, the next is gloves. It should be waterproof as it is a snow trek, and try keeping at least 2 pair in case of one gets wet. Now the next is thermal lower. You will at least be needing 2 layers of clothes on your legs too. So don't forget to keep a warm thermal lower. Next is fleece lower. It will be your second layer. Make sure your night lower is warm and comfortable. Now the next will be 2 trek pants. Quick dry trek pants will be all good. Trek pants will be used while you trek in the day, whereas night lowers will be used once you reach the campsite in the night. Please do not mix these two. The last one of the clothing will be socks. Take a couple of pair of cotton socks for the day and warm woolen socks for the night. Lastly, here is the list of personal utilities you would require. Let's run down on it quickly. Sunglasses with UV protection so that the snow around on a clear sunny day do not give a snow blindness due to UV rays. A sunscreen with minimum SPF of 30 minutes. Sandals with good quality sole for the night. A moisturizer. The first aid kit is very crucial, and do not forget to keep any ailment specific medicine if necessary. Energy bars to keep yourself energetic on the trek. A lunchbox. A good quality water bottle or a flask is must with insulation properties to keep yourself hydrated, drinking warm water when you will need it the most in the mighty cold out there. Also, do not forget to keep a photo ID proof. Lastly, mentioning few toiletries in this list only: a toilet paper roll, soap and hand wash. Wipes should be unscented ones. Toothbrush with a toothpaste, sanitizer, the full body towel along with a couple of hand towels. So that's it. Pretty simple, right? Now here is a complete list which we have just discussed. You may take a screenshot of it to keep for yourself. Now you can say that you are ready to conquer one of the best winter treks out there. The KEDARKANTHA Trek awaits, offering a breathtaking landscapes that will leave you in overwhelming experience at every turn.